What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and today I'm going to show you guys 3 simple things that you guys can literally do to your video right now, and it will increase the views on your video and get it higher in the search rankings. So let me get straight to it and tell you guys the 3 simple things that you guys can do to your videos right now that will increase the views on all of them. So without further ado, number 1 is going to be something I literally just did in this video in the intro, if you guys haven't heard, but I said the title and I rephrased it in some way. And the reason why this is important is because YouTube has this thing called transcripts, and transcripts basically gets whatever you say in your videos and translate it into text. And it's pretty accurate actually, and you will see in your videos that you will see if you go to the transcripts, you will see everything that you're saying in that video and it will be in text. Now this is only for people that can't hear. This is also a tool that YouTube uses to pick the best videos that match the title and the tags. Now this is like a new system that YouTube is using now, because there's a lot of videos out there, if you guys haven't seen, there's a lot of clickbait videos, troll videos. So this is a pretty smart tool that YouTube is doing to see what is said in the video, and if it matches the title and the tags, it's gonna be higher in the rankings. So with this in mind, you guys want to say whatever your video is about. So you want to rephrase the title in the intro and outro, and you guys want to say the keywords that you guys put in your tags throughout your whole entire video. So just keep that in mind to always rephrase and say your title in your video. So on to number 2, which is also very simple, but basically if you guys have a video that hasn't been doing that good, maybe you expected it to be, you know, getting a lot of views or something, getting more attention, and it hasn't been getting that much attention or views, you guys want to go back to that video and you guys want to add a new thumbnail. Now it doesn't matter if it's like a similar thumbnail, maybe this different color or whatever, you guys just want to update the thumbnail. That's the whole point of this, because when you update the thumbnail, YouTube will see that it's a new thumbnail and it will be higher in the search rankings since it's like new. And of course you want to give this video, you know, a few days or a week or 2 so you can see if that video really isn't doing that well, so you can update the thumbnail for that video. And plus, if that video is not even doing that well, I'm sure the thumbnail is not even that good, so you might want to like redesign it or something, because it's booty. Alright, so on to number 3, which is the last one, which is very important as well. All of these are important, but I want you guys to really understand that doing this will increase the likelihood of your videos being searched and viewed more easily. Alright, so number 3 is you guys want to go back to your videos, even the ones that are doing good, and you guys want to update the tags. Now this is so important, guys, because there's so many videos being uploaded every day, so your videos are not always going to be first or like at the top of the search rankings. There's going to be new videos competing every day, so you guys want to keep up with that and make sure your tags are up to date to the keywords that people are searching. Alright, so as you guys can see in this example here, this is one of my videos, and I can see the search rankings for each of my tags. I'm using this thing called TubeBuddy or vidIQ, which basically shows me the rankings for my tags, which basically means when I search this tag, it has number 1 next to it. So that means when I search that term, that keyword, my video will be at the number 1 spot. And you guys can see there's ones that I'm lower ranked, and there's ones I'm not even ranked at all. So you guys want to go back, delete the ones that you're not ranked at all or pretty low. Try to put in new tags that you think people are searching in, you know, in this time around. So the whole point of this is to go back and refresh and update all your videos, even the ones that are doing good, because they might not be doing good all the time. There's going to be new videos that are competing, and in a year or 2 those videos might be going above yours, so you want to update your videos. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys out. If you guys got any questions, leave it in the comments below. Alright, like, because it really helps my videos out. Subscribe, comment. My battery is about to die right now, so I gotta go, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.